today's episode, I'll be taking you through the meticulous process of restoring this W205 that suffered damage on its left side and bumper. So let's see how the skilled mechanics here at New Model Auto bring it back to its pristine condition. The repair journey begins with careful removal of the damaged doors. So with the doors removed, the team at New Model Auto can easily assess the affected areas more easily. To repair the wing, the dashboard is carefully removed. This allows the mechanics at New Model Auto to access and fix the damaged area with precision. The wing is expertly repaired with every detail attended to, ensuring the integrity and safety of the vehicle is restored. With the repairs done, now the new wing is ready to be installed. With all the repairs complete, it is time for a fresh coat of paint. The entire car is repainted to ensure a seamless factory finished look. The transformation is complete. The W205 that was once marred by an accident is now back to its original stunning condition. Thanks to the dedication and skills of the mechanics at New Model Auto in industrial area, this car is ready to hit the road again, looking as good as the day it left the showroom.